Okay, next one up, new client with his lovely Aprillia Tuono V4. This is his daily workhorse. I collected this from his place of work this morning. This is going to get one of our full works packages with a dose of the Signature 4K ceramic and a load of XCP corrosion protection. As I said, he does use this daily for commuting, so she's looking a little sad for herself at the moment. Got some salt and grit on there. We're going to remove all that, get a good old wash on it, make sure to remove any contaminants. Chain's looking very dry. We'll get all that degreased, re-lubed back up, get it looking like it should, get a nice coating of protection on it so it's properly protected for the winter ahead. Do a bit of polishing on that windscreen's looking a little dull, so yeah, let's get cracking. Watch this space. Okay, Aprillia is now fully washed, degreased, debugged, decontaminated, and now in the studio. Just in the process of blow drying it, making sure to remove moisture from any switch gear. Once that's done, we will then start detailing that. I've got that exhaust to polish up down there. Got a couple of little chips on this rear wheel I'm going to touch up with a bit of black. Service that chain, and then we're going to prep all this bodywork. Oh, I'm going to do a bit of machine polishing on this windscreen as it's really dull and quite heavily scratched. Once that's all done, we will then prep all this bodywork. We're going to use the Signature Quartz ceramic on this. It works really well with the satin finish, gives it a nice bit of sheen, obviously properly protects it, and then we'll mist the XCP clear coat on all the lower half, touch up a few nuts and bolts which need that extra protection, and then she'll be ready to be delivered back. All right, cracking on with the Aprillia, coming on nicely. I've just dusted that back wheel with a bit of gloss black. Had quite a few chips in it, obviously, where the lock's been going through. Looking much better now. I've just dusted it with some XCP clear coat, all the bottom half. Just giving this windscreen a bit of a polish. Look at the difference. Before, after. Gonna do another run on it, see if we can get rid of the rest of those. But look at the difference in that. Nice bit of gloss back to it. Much better. Time to get a bit of ceramic on, and then we'll load her up, get her delivered back. There you go. This Aprillia has now been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full works packages. That's included a good dose of the XCP clear coat on all the lower half. And we treated all the top with the Signature Quartz. We use the Ultimaxx, which is a graphene ceramic. Works really well with black. Gives it a nice bit of sheen, not too shiny. This is a satin finish, just that right bit of sheen, now fully protected. Windscreen's all been polished, and a two-stage polish on that got rid of most all those scratches. Wheels have all been polished. I touched up that back wheel where it was all chipped up. Look at that, looking as new. All the motor, all the lower half has all had the XCP clear coat. Banjo bolts, nuts and bolts, I think need that little extra bit of attention, have all been brushed. All done, 3 hours. Get yours booked in now. We do offer a pickup, drop-off facility. If you're local to us, save you getting your bike all dirty again once it's all clean. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.